Hey there, welcome back to channel, and today in this video I am going to unbox Redmi Note 12 Pro, and this is China global variant. So let's now talk about the box content. 1. Clean back cover. Next, USB Type-C cable and our 67 watt fast charger adapter. And finally, this is our gorgeous Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G, and this is black color. The phone looks very nice and solid, and this is only 187 gram, so this is lightweight phone. The phone comes with 6.67 inch 1B color 120Hz OLED display. The phone comes with Dimensity 1080 processor. And the phone comes with triple camera setup and 50 megapixel main sensor and 16 megapixel selfie camera. And the phone powered by 5000 mAh battery. Very soon coming long time review Redmi Note 12 Pro. So make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. So this is all Redmi Note 12 Pro unboxing and short review. Thanks for watching, and I will be catching you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.